As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at getting a new gas grill. I've narrowed it down to the Char-Broil Performance Series 4-burner and the Weber Spirit E-210. What are your thoughts?
Oh, good choices. They're both pretty popular. The Char-Broil is definitely bigger. It's got 4 burners and a side burner, offering 36,000 BTUs. The Weber only has 2 burners, so it's less powerful, at 7744.5 watts.
Yeah, I noticed the Char-Broil has a larger cooking area, like 475 square inches, compared to Weber's 450. I tend to cook for a larger family. That bigger size might be good.
True, but the Weber is more compact overall. Dimensions are 32 DX50 WX63H versus Char-Broil's 25.8 DX53.1 WX45H. If space is an issue, the Weber might be better. Plus, it's lighter at 20 pounds compared to the Char-Broil's hefty 85 pounds.
Good point. What about the grates? I've heard that makes a big difference.
The Char-Broil has porcelain-coated cast iron grates, which are decent. The Weber also uses porcelain-enameled cast iron cooking grates, which many people swear by for even heating.
Okay, and the price? I saw the Char-Broil is around $370, while the Weber is closer to $500.
Yep, the Weber's pricier. You're paying for the Weber brand and, arguably, better overall quality and durability. The Char-Broil offers a lot of cooking space for the price, but some reviews mention potential issues with sturdiness and even heat distribution.
Right, I saw those too. The Weber has great reviews, people saying it's easy to assemble and well built. And they appreciate the even heat.
Exactly. It kind of boils down to what you value more. Do you want the bigger cooking area and the side burner of the Char-Broil at a lower price? Or are you willing to spend more for the Weber's reputation for quality and more compact design?
That makes sense. I guess I need to think about how often I'll really use that extra space and the side burner. Thanks for breaking it down. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.